Hello beautiful ladies, welcome back. For millimeter champagne color rhinestone, 3/6 olive green rhinestone, 3 millimeters gold spacer beads, pressure crimp bead, lobster hook. Take a piece of soft steel wire, fixed on the buckle. Wear a spade on the left and right. Add round rhinestone on left and right side. Add single round. Wear a spade on the left and right. Add spacer bead. Then repeat until the desired length.
From hair clips to jewelry fine.
Add crimp bead and hook. Add an extension chain to finish.
A symphony of color and light. A dance of beads on this